Thanks. My name is Håkan Ludvigson. I'm CEO and one of the founders of Eliq. We're a software company out of Gothenburg, Sweden, and we help utilities to engage their customers. Now, imagine you're running a company. You have 100,000 customers or so. You're operating in a market with, let's say, 50 or 100 competitors that are all selling the exact same product as you. Of course, you're getting into these price wars, and you have a loss leader situation, and on top of that, customers are actually, the customers that actually stay with you, they don't necessarily do it because they like you or they like your service. It's rather that they don't really care about it. They're so disengaged by your product that they don't bother switching. Now, of course, I'm talking about energy suppliers, and they're some of the most disliked companies on this planet. There are lots of exceptions, obviously, but there are quite a few that are struggling with this. We think that part of the reason is they've been taking their customers for granted for a long time, and this is kind of how they look at this is still the standard for, like, the de facto standard for how you interface with your customers in 2017, which is remarkable. So we're here to change all of that using behavioral science, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things. Our software platform enables utilities to deploy real-time energy insight tools to their customers that helps them understand how much energy they're spending, get advice on things they can do to improve it, and we use real-time alerts when something needs the user's attention. So, if your heater breaks down, if your solar panels are covered with leaves or like in Sweden with snow, perhaps, we'll notify you. And if you, as an energy supplier, if you're getting into solar panels, energy storage, demand response, which is all happening now, we're tying all of that together into the same user experience. So it's a seamless user experience that ties together all of your services as a supplier. It's a white label product. It comes as a software as a service, and of course, it's all about building that customer engagement and building that brand recognition for our customers, the utilities. The way that it works is we pull in data from smart meters. We get real-time data from IoT devices, weather analytics. We crunch that data and deliver an engaging customer application. And for the utility, kind of a customer insight dashboard where they can dive into the data, learn about their customers, and deploy new service offerings. We're really, really good at what we do. So we have fantastic customer engagement metrics. We have a great user satisfaction score, and we've won several awards in this space. And I'm really happy about this particular one because it's really specific to what we do. So it's an award we picked up here in London a few months ago called the Energy Monitoring Solution Award. The market is maturing, finally. It's taken a little while, but I think it's safe to say that most utilities recognize that the kind of the 2 or 3 page incomprehensible energy bill is not the way of the future. And according to PwC, 84% of leading utilities globally are looking to deploy these types of services to their customers. So fantastic product, great market, even better team. So we're a team of 5 founders. We've built successful IoT and analytics companies in the past, and we have a great board of directors and advisors with us, people from the utility space here in the UK and back in Sweden, as well as people from the telco industry, and a great group of developers as well. So we just raised, so last week we announced that we raised a €3 million round of funding, which is going to help us accelerate our building out the platform that our software platform, as well as establish new offices here in London. I think that's about all I have to say right now. We're looking to raise the Series A in about a year's time, so happy to make new friends here and carry on the conversation during the course of the year. Thank you.
A 3 million round, that's what I call a decent seed round. Well done. Super cool company from the south of Sweden.